you have a great laundry room, think about how it truly does help you do the laundry, maybe clean, fold. That's my weakness. That is my weakness. Now, if your laundry room needs a little bit of love, hey, that's okay. We have some help for you. Joining us this afternoon, we have Anne-Marie Boges with the Anne-Marie Design Studio. Anne-Marie, thank you so much for joining me today.
You're welcome. Love being here.
I love when you're here too. And this is such a great topic. Laundry rooms.
Everyone's got one.
Everyone has one. How can we make them more functional?
Yeah.
And not only functional, but trendy.
And cute, right?
Yes.
Okay, so no one loves to be in their laundry room. I mean,
No.
unless you've already had one done by me.
Shameless plug.
There's always laundry waiting, right? It's always there, and it's sort of hindering on, oh, I gotta do all that laundry, or oh no, I let it pile up. So if you could just get yourself to be more efficient in that space, that's what we're going for. And make it enjoyable while you're in there. So I have some clients who put a TV in the room because they know that and I'll fold it while it's coming out and I'll stay in there for a moment longer.
Bingo, you have to fold it while it's hot.
I know. It's a hard thing to do, but sometimes you just don't have the space for all of that. So it's how do you be efficient with what you've got? Or can we expand? Because sometimes we can. We could even put laundry spaces in rooms you've maybe never thought of, like inside a closet in the end of the hall. Maybe you don't want your laundry on the lower level and you want to bring it to the first floor. So there's a lot of options. Everyone's totally different. We can do it all for you. This is actually an extra bedroom in a client's house. They brought their laundry room upstairs and we put this in their extra bedroom. So turn this into sort of a craft room, so to speak. And we have tons of storage in this space, washer dryer left and right of each other with hanging storage. This client does like to hang all of her things. So I do like to go through with you guys and understand, are you a hanger? I can't change you. I will try
I'm a hanger,
real hard.
I'm not gonna lie, I like to hang a lot of things.
I don't. Everything goes in the dryer. Almost everything. And I'm telling you, I still wear it all the time. So it works.
It does work.
So laundry sink, that's another big thing. And you need towels right there. And you need some ability to be able to make a mess and not feel like you're gonna ruin stuff. So the right products with each other. This is a laminate looking wood countertop on top of there. So we can spill bleach and not think it's a big deal. Front loaders are great for this kind of setup where we can create a landing space to fold or set a basket on if you need to. And then floating shelves are great because you can have quick access to soaps and pods and anything you need, like dryer sheets or things like that. Plus closed storage, so you can put things hidden in places. This is a great use of a laundry room slash mudroom. This whole concept is, let's make it beautiful, right? This is an entry from a garage. There's a bench seat in that space. There's stacked washer dryer. I always want to make sure I understand if you're really short, like you. If the stacked washer is good for you, can you reach it? So we go through all of those items with you and understand, do you need to store coats in here? Do you need to store dog food, shoes? I have some clients who, that's where all the kids' socks are. So when they're running out the door, it's socks and shoes that you gather at one time, and laundry, you puts it right in the laundry room, mudroom. So there's a lot of things you need to go through with me to help me understand how do you function now and what's not working? Can I make you change your routine? That's another good thought process. All right, so now we're standing in a laundry room looking out into their kitchen. This is a very common layout in West County, at least. It's the garage is to the left. I walk through this mudroom laundry room into the kitchen, and I'm looking at this little cabinet. See that metal mesh on the right-hand side?
I think it's cute.
So they want to hang clothes. There's not a lot of room to hang clothes. They don't want people to see their clothes, so we put a breathable cabinet there.
That
so
is iconic.
I love the idea too, right? So that people don't need to see your goods.
No.
It's a safe way to do this. Plus there's more storage above that door for soaps and things like that. So I really like that idea. This is a really cute, so this is a kitchen you're standing in. And we've put doors that you open up and walk through into the next room, which is their laundry room and mudroom. So you're seeing this kitchen view. You can see the ovens on the left. There's pantry cabinets on the right. And when it's closed, it just looks like more pantry cabinets. But then you open it, any second it'll open, and you can kind of see the green. There it is.
Oh my gosh.
It's so cute to walk through this space, and then you get to see all those cabinets for storage on the right-hand side. And then straight through is the mud cabinetry. I call it like a boot bench or lockers for school bags and coats and your flute and kids anything or adults anything. And then the left and the right-hand side, you can barely tell, but that's the washer dryer. So the appliance part of it's the least loud, and I'm making the space just look really cute, and your mess doesn't have to show. On the top of that washer is their basket with, that's where their dirty hamper is, if that makes sense. But it's a great use of space. There's actually a sink on the left-hand side as well, and you could still hang things hidden. So we're right next to the kitchen. No one needs to see how dirty your laundry room can be.
We just close the door.
It's adorable.
I aspire to get to this level of laundry room magic.
No, you can just go so far in just understanding what you need to store things like. This is just to show different looks. It's a very rustic, more nature looking space here. We've got washer and dryer on top of a wood drawer cabinet. So there's storage underneath of that washer dryer. So instead of stacking them, we brought them higher, but still kept them, side by side. And then you can see the sink in there. It's a cute farmhouse looking sink, and just tons of hidden storage in the cabinetry.
Oh my
There's
gosh.
a trash can in there, and dog food in there, and batteries and flashlights, and everything you need in a mudroom, but it's in this laundry room space, which is super adorable.
I need this in my life. Okay, what is your design tip for today?
Well, I mean, everyone needs help with their laundry, but
Yes.
let's just tumble yourself into a new laundry room in
Oh, I
2025.
See what you did there.
I'm just so fun with words. Tumble.
Hey, we won't be stuck on the spin cycle trying to get all that laundry done.
Ah.
Okay, I joke entirely too much, but seriously, St. Louis, if you do find yourself in need of a brand new laundry room, maybe you just want a little bit of love, a little bit of help, maybe doing something, maybe a small remodel, or you can do a big remodel. Anne-Marie Design Studio is here for you. You can visit her online at annemariestudio.com. You can also follow her on everything. All those social media handles will be on our website, studiostl.tv. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back after this quick break.